Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. And many thanks to many thanks to those who watch my video home and abroad. So everyone, this is my first video for my YouTube channel. So everyone, first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Khairul Islam. I am a farmer as well as YouTuber. So everyone, I have many YouTube channel. First YouTube channel name is uh, Caringly Jadu. Next YouTube channel Khairul Islam TV. Third YouTube channel name is New Bazaar, and four YouTube channel X News, and five YouTube channel name is English Try. So everyone, I will discuss every day what do I do in English. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share and comment. So at the time I am catching fish already. I have got two fish, and especially the fish name is fry fish. I hope everyone you know a fry fish. So you can see this is a canal. Already I have two fish. So you can see this is my bag. uh, this is my bag of fish. So please follow me, and if I mistake any word or any sentence, so please teach me or help me. So bye, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and please subscribe now.